Breitling, instruments for professionals.
Hey Saad, how's it going, buddy?
Going good.
Good, tell me, what are you about to do?
I'm gonna jump from the sky.
Oh my gosh, we're going skydiving today. First time?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Why are you doing this?
It's an adventure.
You excited?
Yeah, very much.
You nervous?
Little bit.
Little bit? Awesome. So have you got any messages? Anything you want to say to anyone?
Nothing. Let me try first, then I'll tell you if you have to do it or not.
Awesome. Alright man, I'll tell you what, just relax for now. I'll see you in the plane.
Oh.
We're on the way up now with 3,000 feet off the ground. How do you feel?
Really scary.
Really scary. You ready to go though?
Yeah.
Doing the jump?
Yeah.
You trust him?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Got any last words before we go?
Sorry?
Any last words before we go?
No word.
No word. Alright man, have a good jump. I'll see you at Yeah, buddy.
It's fun.
How's that, man?
Oh, very good.
Congratulations.
Have done that.
You do it again?
I will definitely.
Awesome. Thanks for jumping skydiving, Dubai. We'll see you next time. Woo.